Within My Reach on koolitusprogramm, kuhu tullakse üksinda. Ja see on mõeldud inimestele, kes veel ei ole paarisuhtes või kes on suhtes, aga neile tundub, et nende suhe ei tööta hästi. Samuti on see mõeldud üksinda last kasvatavatele vanematele.
The idea here is that people who are not in relationships but want to be in a relationship at some point, kind of learning what makes for a great relationship, learning how to make good choices in a relationship, to make decisions about key relationship choices rather than what we call kind of sliding into a relationship.
And not to have everything clumped at the beginning of your life.
Kõige rohkem puudutas mind isiklikult see programm, seepärast, et siin on mingi põhjus, miks meil Eesti naiste suhe ei tööta ja ma, olles ise ka spetsialist ja paarisuhte nõustaja ja samuti paarisuhte koolitaja ja vaadates selle fooni, mis toimub Eesti ühiskonnas laiemalt, siis tundub, et meil naistel ei ole ka sellist standardit, mille järgi või mille põhjal tegelikult oma suhteid üles ehitada.
Women that are struggling with relationships, either in a relationship or not in a relationship, and maybe have had some bad relationships in the past. And we help women really understand what a good relationship looks like, what it looks like to be in a safe relationship. For some women, they've never really seen a good role model on what a good relationship looks like. And so we help them to understand safety, and then what a good supportive person looks like, what the important things are to look for in a partner. So not just is your partner handsome or does your partner make a good living, but is your partner trustworthy and does your partner respect you? And is it safe to talk to your partner?
Kuidas saada aru, kas selles suhtes on piisavalt pühendumise turvalisust? Kas see on midagi, millele ma üldse saan oma elu üles ehitada või mitte, või nad on minu unistused ja fantaasiad? Aga sageli me kaldume lootma oma fantaasiatele ja unistustele ja kui oleme libisenud mingisugusesse olukorda, siis me püüame sellest kinni hoida selle nimel, et on ju juba kokku kolitud, on ju juba lapsed sündinud. Aga me keegi ei pruugi olla selles olukorras õnnelikud, kuna me ei ole teinud ise neid valikuid. See programm õpetab otsustama, õpetab oma valikuid üles ehitama ja kujundama ja õpetab ka astuma olukordadest välja, kui need olukorrad tegelikult on meile ohtlikud ja ebaturvalised. Ja see programm näitab väga selgelt ka seda, kuidas need ohtlikud olukorrad võivad mõjutada meie lapsi. Üks prepi põhisõnum on see, et suhted ei ole iialgi neutraalsed, suhted mõjutavad väga tugevalt nii mind ennast kui ka neid inimesi, kes minust sõltuvad.
We also teach basic communication skills and problem-solving skills, and people practice those skills with other participants. Some people are in happy, healthy relationship, and for those folks, they can learn the skills and apply them in their relationship to keep that relationship going strong. A lot of the people might be in relationships that are not healthy, and they need some help leaving the relationship, or are currently not in a relationship. They're divorced or never been married or currently single. So we have a wide diversity of people within My Reach, and I think people are really excited in Estonia about using this program.
Ja programm aitab siis mõtestada seda, et mida ma oma suhtelt ootan ja millisesse suhtesse ma tahaksin kunagi jõuda.